Today I'm going to be prepping for my dinner tonight. I want to get everything chopped, and I want to cut up a watermelon to have in the refrigerator. Of course, my son wants it now, so we're going to do that one first. I've got a chicken stir fry to prep for this evening, so let's get started. I have nothing out. I've started nothing. I have a towel. I have a clean towel, and that's all I've pulled out. So this is going to be from the beginning, from scratch, and I'll play it fast so you can see what I'm doing, but not spend a lot of time. So I'll see you on the other side. Check me at the end of the video and see what we've got. I have timestamps below that you can check if you want to skip to the end and see the finished product. finish my dinner, I've already put my vegetables in the pot. And I put some olive oil in the bottom. And they've been in there about 10 minutes. My rice is done. And my chicken. I have taken it off the bone and separated it, and the grease is in here. What I'm going to do now is just go ahead and pour all of this into the pot with the grease. I'm going to keep the skin off. The grease from the chicken will flavor the dish. So now that everything is in there, I'm going to cover it and let it steam and cook a little bit and let everything get hot. Just go turn it down a little bit. I'll need my soy sauce, but I don't use soy sauce. I use these liquid aminos. I laid out my plates and my forks, and I'm ready to serve. Add some soy sauce. And you're ready to go. And this 45-minute meal becomes a 15 to 20-minute meal just by meal prepping. Just by chopping up your veggies, making your rice, and cooking your chicken. This is Jackie from Motherwize. And remember, dinner's at 6.